Hey, thanks for watching Valley Sports Cards Memorabilia and Picture Framing Box Breaking Basketball 2013-14 Panini Select. By far my favorite product of the year. Last couple of years, really, constantly a pretty good product. But first, start saying www.valleysportscards.com for the website. For Twitter, @CardboardLord. Instagram, Valley Sports Cards of Tarzana, with underscores between every word. Facebook, Valley Sports Cards Memorabilia and Picture Framing. There's a 10% off coupon on there. Print it out, bring it in, you get 10% off any one item every single time you come into the store. The store is located at 19640 Ventura Boulevard, and our phone number is 818-705-2255. Again, I start by saying I know this product has some dual player cards. If we have any two teams with the two different players and people bid on, we will go to random.org to decide who is the winner of that card. And we will do that at the end of the box break. All right, start with Select. Well, that's all we're doing is Select. So let's open this up. We got two mini boxes in here, two autographs, two jersey cards. And let's start with this one. All right. On my left, we got Joe here to help. Joe's amazing pronunciation skills. Superhuman. All right, here we go. First pack. Nick Young, Lakers. I see a purple one in there. Louis Scola, Pacers. Evan Turner, Pacers. And Danny Green, purple refractor, Spurs. We got Victor Oladipo, the Magic. How am I doing? Andre Drummond. All right. Next. Packs aren't opening. Is there something in there? But I saw something. Oops. All right, we got Kevin Garnett, Paul George, Pacers, Roy Hibbert. Been a lot of Pacers. I think almost the whole team already. And looks like our first autograph, Jan Vesely, Denver Nuggets. The crowd is going crazy. Denver Nuggets, our first autograph. Put that over there. Cody Zeller of the Cats, Bob, and Murray Stoudemire, New York Knickerbockers. All right, let's put these over here. So we will know we got a. We usually break it up one jersey, one auto per mini box. We got those blue refractors too that are pretty cool. Anthony Davis, the Pelicans. Do not call them the Hornets. LeBron James, formerly of the Miami Heat. Dwayne Wade, currently of the Miami Heat. They're like the lukewarms now. I just thought of that. That's funny. Victor Oladipo refractor. It's a nice one. Peyton Siva from Detroit. And, oh yeah, here we go.
Jonas Valanciunas.
Yeah, with the Toronto Raptors. Oh, that feels like a fad. Let's do that one for last. Never know how the cellophane is going to tear. That one went pretty nice. All right, we got Thabo Cephalosha. I can do that one. OKC Thunder. Ty Lawson, Nuggets. Eric Gordon of the Pelicans. Dennis Schroeder of the Hawks, refractor rookie. Michael Carter-Williams, rookie of the year, rookie. Anyone pick the Sixers? Are they represented? Yep, of course. And Brandon Jennings. And again, we got pretty much all the teams covered today. Difficult. Joe's favorite player, Iman Shumpert. Iman. See? You know, Jan Vesely, yeah. If you're a Jan Vesely fan, this has been your box. George Hill, Pacers. Derrick Rose of the Bulls. Brandon Davies, the Sixers. And Russell, my favorite player, Westbrook of the Thunder. Sarcastic, he's not my favorite player. I complain about him a lot. All right. How do you pronounce that first name?
Grievous Vasquez.
Also the Toronto Raptors. So we got something interesting here. El Farik Aminu. I knew that one. Pelicans, formerly of UCLA Bruins. Wasn't he? Did I mess up right there?
He was not in UCLA.
I thought he was. Have I been doing it all this time? Oh. How many times I've said that and just people just looked at me like, okay, that's funny. I know I've said it before. I feel silly right now. Greg Monroe. Yeah, you say enough things, you're going to say something silly eventually. It's good when it's on video. Red Hot. James Harden. Use that as a distraction for a second. Ooh, shiny. Look at the beard. Nerlens Noel. And Raymond Felton. What college did he go to, though? Really, I wonder how many times I've said it, really. Not of UCLA. You know what I'm thinking of? I was confused with that guy in Milwaukee. Luke Bob.
Oh,
yeah. Yeah, that one again. I can't pronounce it, but I think that's where that's where my mind was at. All right, Rodney Stuckey, Gerald Wallace. Okay, let's cover that. That's our hit right there. John Wall. Reggie Bullock. Chris Middleton of the Bucks. And numbered 7 out of 10, Alex English. Patch. Oh, gold. Look at that. Wow, all Denver Nuggets box. Look at that. That is a nice, I mean, that's got to be a case hit right there. You want to pick the Nuggets? All right, we got some happy people there. Happy persons. Wow, that is nice. 7 of 10. Gosh. He's of my generation. I actually got to watch him play. He was incredible. All right. So the Nuggets fans are going crazy today. All right. There. Ricky Rubio, T-Wolves, Aaron Aflalo. He went to UCLA.
Yes.
All right. Spencer Hawes on the Cavs. Didn't he just? Clippers, yeah, I heard about that. Mason Plumlee getting some time now with Team USA. CJ McCollum and Monta Ellis. That feels like a fat pack. Let's save that for last. Not to say it might not have a white card of mystery. I see a refractor there. Emmanuel Ginobili. Thomas Robinson, Trailblazers. Shane Battier, Heat. Refractor, Terrence Ross, Raptors. That's a nice card. We pulled that purple the same card last time. Lorenzo Brown, Markieff Morris. Only one. There's another fat one. Let's save that. Only one purple. Well, I guess that gold counts as one of the refractors, maybe. Oh, there's a purple one. Andrew Bogut, Warriors. David Lee, Warriors. O.J. Mayo, Bucks. And Stars, Minnesota T-Wolves. Kevin Love, no longer with the T-Wolves, but that's a nice card right there. They numbered out of 33 of 99. That's nice. The T-Wolves. Shabazz Muhammad. And J.R. Smith to finish off. Alright. Haven't seen... Usually at least one blue per box. I wonder if the gold is in place of the blue. Alright, Larry Sanders. Marcus Morris. Mario Chalmers. LaMarcus Aldridge, White Hot. Mason Plumlee. Kirk Heinrich. All right.
Ersan Ilyasova.
I didn't even have to ask there. There you go. Eric Bledsoe. Kendrick Perkins. Tim Duncan. Dennis Schroeder. Serge Ibaka. All right. Looks like we got both of them in here. All right. Yeah, Jimmy Butler of the Bulls. Tyreek Evans, the Pelicans. Jose Calderon. Gal Meckel. Dallas. Oh, it's a blue patch. Trevor Ariza. Alex English. Another Alex English. The Denver Nugget fans are going crazy.
It's the same card.
It's numbered out of 25. Oh my gosh. We got a refractor number out of 25. We got a refractor number out of 10. And Jan Vesely, don't forget. Wow. Well, we got one more auto in here.
Ty Lawson.
Yeah, something tells me it's going to be Denver Nugget. That'd be funny. I don't think I've ever seen that before. Just all one team.
Definitely going to be. I know it.
Really? That's your call, Tyler? Yeah. It's usually it's one of the sideways.
It's going to be some Denver Nuggets.
No, it's got to be a rookie auto. It's usually those side. It's going to be one of those sideways rookie patch autos. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. There, let's go. Oh, we got a gold. Oh my gosh, we got 2 golds in one box. Thaddeus Young, Michael Beasley.
Rudy Gobert.
Here, wait, I don't want to cover who that is. Numbered 4 of 10. 2 golds in one box. Wow. Anyone pick the Jazz? Yep. We got some happy people. There you go. Pretty cool, eh?
Yeah.
Man. Did he get traded to the Nuggets anytime recently? You got Ray Allen, Steven Adams, and Anthony Mason, New York Knickerbockers, former NBA great. Well, there you go. Quite the box. especially if you're a Denver Nugget fan. Here, let's put these out. Wow, that's neat. We got 2 golds, 2 Alex English, and I think Jan Vesely is probably, I mean, that's the hit of the box, possibly the case right there. But these other gold cards in the Hall of Famer stuff ain't bad either. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Select 2013-14. We're going to have another box break in 2 weeks. Don't know what we're going to do yet. Come in the store, check it out. That's where you do all your bidding. Check us out on our website, valleysportscards.com. Twitter @CardboardLord, Instagram Valley Sports Cards of Tarzana with underscores in between every word, Facebook Valley Sports Cards memorabilia and picture framing, where you got a 10% off coupon. Print it out, bring it in, get 10% off any one item every time you come into the store. And the store is located at 19640 Ventura Boulevard, 818-705-2255. Might I mention that is where you come to bid on this. We have a bid board that ends every week. The box break bid board ends every 2 weeks. So bid on your team, be part of this. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.